Visakhapatnam, a laid-back city, and it's the start of the 5-match T20 series between India and Australia. It's a lovely ground here. Straight away some swing. Suryakumar Yadav anything down the leg side, and he's off and away. With a typical Steve Smith shot, hit on the up, he finds the boundary.
We of course get the great privilege to watch these young players go around in IPL cricket. Kartik,
oh, that's hit hard, very hard. Second boundary for Smith. And how quickly did that ball race away to the boundary? Another one. That's the best of the lot. That raced away. Total control.
wide and short.
And that's pulled away.
Interesting you say that, Haydos, because I still remember the year when he turned out for cricket.
Doesn't necessarily have the power game, that is to say, scoring in maximums, but he's
crashed that through the offside. Just giving himself a little bit of room. He's used the pace here to good effect. One bounce over the rope, just drifting down the leg side.
And the only over that he bowled, and Suryakumar Yadav has cleaned it up. A full ball, trying to play the height. If not Steve Smith, it's going to be Matthew Shaw for Ravi Bishnoi, and the first wicket down for Australia. At number 3. Oh, what a start to start off. Drives through the covers, and it's a boundary for Josh Inglis. He's got a hand on it. Tilak Ruturaj Gaikwad, but it was too wide and put away by Josh Inglis. Just as we were coming into, and pace on, and it goes to the boundary.
Well, that's exactly what Steve Smith wants. Suryakumar Yadav.
2 keepers in the side.
I think the captain might pull rank on young Josh Inglis. He was obviously the keeper for Australia during the World Cup camp.
Oh, again in the gap. Again missing his length, missing his line. The radar has not been right so far for Prasidh Krishna.
It's not been his night tonight.
And then he bowls one outside the off stump, which has been clattered over point for a 6. Goes for the slower one. It's been picked very nicely. Another boundary to Josh Inglis. Yet another expensive over. It's been 22 runs coming off that over. One more. Sorry, 18. Apologies, 18 guns.
It's a feeler in the deep. That's well placed again from Josh Inglis. Gets the boundary of the first ball of the over. He's enjoying himself.
He just pounces.
Got 10 runs from that. Oh, that is amazing piece of timing. Nothing wrong with that delivery. But how quick that went to the boundary.
You can tell the look on.
Race to 44 of just 25. Partnership's worth 52.
Yeah, I think when he looks back at that dismissal, though, he'll probably feel that he could have.
That's a very good shot. Well timed, well placed. We'll get a boundary, Smith.
Yeah, pure class from Steve Smith. Knew exactly.
Length. He goes over extra cover. This is a brilliant shot. This is amazing. He's playing now with Bishnoi and the field. Lot slower. Picks it up early. Finishes the over.
Steve Smith with the slot sweep. Try in the deep from Arshdeep Singh. Doesn't get a hand to it. And a trick.
Yeah, I think those last couple of maximums show you what sort of...
They have to come back to Prasad Krishna. And it's sailed over square legs head. So Prasad Krishna having a torrid time.
Literally take that calculated strength on the bounce. This looked as if it bounced first before it hit the
Goes into out and does enough on it. Takes it over the... And to get his timing right. And this man's nailing everything. This time over mid-wicket. 21 runs coming out that last. Oh, with an offer again. And 50 for Steve Smith with that boundary. No timing. Throw at the non-striker's end. Is there a run out finally? Is Steve Smith short of his ground because he's walking? Have him with only 25 balls left.
He's got that fine and a scintillating 100 here for Josh Inglis. His first in international cricket, and it's been a magnificent top edge. Again, another boundary. This is a real... Oh, he's played a couple of those shots, and they race him. Just a flick this time. He's taken on the boundary on the second attempt. Just while juggling with the ball, but comes up with the catch to end a match. Tim David replacing. And is away with the boundary.
One.
Another slower delivery. And put down. Bishnoi was the man running back. Oh, that's crashed through the offside. And extremely hard on the up. Oh, that's a terrific hit. That's gone way back into the crowd. Now that's pure muscle. After the 6th over, 7th over. And that's excellent stuff. Excellent stuff.
Now, you mentioned earlier, Deep.
That's an excellent last over. Misses it. Just 5 runs conceded. And Mukesh Kumar, really the pick of the Indian ball.
And this bunch of young batters affect India's highest run chase in T20 international cricket. They need 209 from their 20 overs.
Everyone, yeah, 209. And that's a daunting task. It's got the firepower though, Indian team. It's a new look. Maybe not as experienced as far as international cricket is concerned.
What a shot. Very first ball. Yashasvi Jaiswal with his trademark. Oh, with the pull shot. It's gone very high and it's gone all the way. Had to wait for it. A change of pace from Marcus Stoinis. Wants the second. A bit of a mix-up. A bit of a fumble from Matthew Wade. And Yashasvi Jaiswal doesn't get affected by that mix-up. Big sweep. Big sweep. Misses everyone. Top edge. Has it gone all the way? Yes, it has. The mat goes over now. Finds the man, finds the exact man who had walked in to the 30-yard circle. Steve Smith, very safe pair of hands and match shot. Pressure India now. A big target to chase. The bowler made an over.
Oh, shot. What a shot. All the way. An expensive over. This first one from Sean Abbott. Again, timed extremely well. This is a quick outfield. That's fine. And 4. Fine leg up in the circle. That's what I mean when I say both these players playing in the same. Again, excellent timing. That is a quality shot. He said they've lost an extra wicket though, but they're well ahead. Edged past the keeper and 4. A lot of these players have been around for some time now. The game goes aerial and goes all the way. Ishan Kishan. He's got it going now. Yeah, he took a... Goes again.
It's in the gap for sure, and it's long enough. Another 6. Yes, Sanga's under tremendous pressure.
Piece of fielding from the youngster.
You've got to feed it really fine. Won't carry to Tanveer.
100. A joint fastest for an Australian in this format. Got to his 147.
Why to go over fine leg, but gets a very thickish outside edge. That's why
Plays it fine, but the fine leg's fine enough to stop that.
Times it all right. India and Ishan Kishan needed this one after a couple of quiet overs. And there he goes.
It's going to be a good end to this game, and what a way to bring up your 5th half century in T20 internationals. Ishan Kishan goes again, misses. The tallest man on the field, is it? 10 runs on the first 2 balls.
This time over extra cover, but finds the fielder. Mad shot. A deep extra. Ishan Kishan is in disbelief.
Another.
Oh yeah, bowling.
Tilak Verma. And what Matthew Wade has done is...
Oh, shot. What a way for Surya Kumar Yadav to bring up his 16th half century as well. Outside edge. Just eluding the grasp of Matthew Wade. Is that in the gap? Yes, powered through mid-wicket for 4.
Yeah, I think Matthew Wade trying to gamble.
Oh, there you go. Just as we talk about it. Yeah, just play into the batter's hand if you do something like that. You need to be extremely accurate. Top edge, throws it wide outside. Not an easy catch, but a stunning one by Marcus Stoinis. The ball was swirling.